1.
Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. Today we're going to take you through a high-intensity interval training workout. This workout is designed to burn maximum amount of calories in the shortest amount of time. This requires no weights and no equipment, so you should be able to do this in the comfort of your own home. We're going to start off by doing 30 burpees. So when you do a burpee, you're going to drop to your hands, kick out in a push-up position, and then come back up. You can do this quickly or slowly depending on your fitness level. You want to do 30 of those, then you're going to move right into mountain climbers. So for mountain climbers, you're going to just drop down to push-up position and bring your knees up to your chest one at a time. Quickly rotating. You're going to do 60 of those. The purpose of a high-intensity interval training workout is that you don't take rest. So you want to keep rapidly moving through these exercises. Now you're going to take a little bit of a rest and do 3 minutes of jumping jacks. So just out and in, just like you did in elementary school, nice and easy for 3 minutes. Then you're going to go back into some strengthening. We're going to do lunges. You want to do 30 on each leg. As you go down, you want to concentrate that the weight is going through your heel and push back. Do not do walking lunges. To make this the most challenging workout possible, do 30 on one leg and then do 30 on the other leg. If it's too difficult to do 30 on one leg, do 1, 1, 1, switching back and forth. Again, there is no rest in between these exercises, so you're going to move right into a full squat. For a full squat, you're going to spread your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to just sit back on your heels all the way down and come back up. If this bothers your knees, it means you're putting too much pressure on the front of your feet. The weight should be in your heels, and your butt should be going back like you're sitting in a chair. Come all the way back up. You want to do 30 of these, nice and controlled. Now you're going to go into your 3 minutes of your jumping jacks. So again, just like elementary school, jumping jacks. Very easy. Then your final 2 exercises are going to be push-ups. So you're just going to get into a push-up on your feet. You can also do these from your knees. You just want to make sure your back is flat and you're going down chest to the floor. You're going to do 30 repetitions. So if you could only do 10 from your feet and then do 10 from your knees, that's fine too. And the final exercise is you're going to do a plank to a push-up. So starting in plank position, you're going to walk your hands up to go to a push-up. You want to alternate your hands left to right. Pushing up, making sure you're pushing up with each one differently each time. This one also can be done from your knees. Drop to your knees. Again, make sure your back is flat. Push up to your hands. You're going to end with 3 minutes of jumping jacks. Quickly. Again, this is a high-intensity workout. Do not rest in between these exercises. This should take you about a half hour if you do everything correctly without rest. Make sure you're hydrating through the entire program.